Hi there, students. A ditty. Okay, a ditty is a short verse that rhymes, or a short tune, especially one that is frequently repeated. So, for example, very often advertisements have a little ditty with them, a little song that they sing with it. So let me try and give you a few examples. Everyone's a fruit and nut cake, craving for those Cadbury's nuts and raisins. I guess that's a ditty from an advertisement. Or maybe Christmas carols, you could probably define them as ditties as well, especially if people only just sing a little bit of them. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. And I don't know any more of the words. That's a ditty. Or you can have kids' ones with kids' nursery rhymes. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. I guess that's a ditty as well. Sally, Sally, pride of our alley. I don't know how it goes on. Okay. But it can be a verse as well. For example, if I was a dog and you were a flower, I'd lift up my leg and I'd give you a shower. Okay, so a ditty, it's like a short verse. It's like something that gets into your head. Yeah. So this is why they really tend to use it for ditties for advertising. Yeah, a ditty, it's just a little simple song or poem, something rhyming. The ditty for this product is getting into my head, and I find it really, really annoying. Yeah. So it's like this little song, maybe a jingle, yeah, or just a little poem. So yeah, sing me a ditty. He sung a dirty little ditty. I guess as well, limericks could be called ditties. I don't know. There was a young man of Penzance, who always thought about ants. I don't know the rest of it, but a limerick could also be called a ditty. Yeah. He sang a little ditty about the joys of spending ages in the bath. I guess ditties are some type of earworm, something that you hear and you just can't stop repeating. Okay, so a ditty, a little song, a little verse that people say or they use. So what about formality? A ditty. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Maybe it's a little bit old-fashioned, the word ditty, but it says what it means quite nicely. And then as to origin, I think it probably comes from Latin, dictare, from dictatus, which means repeat, yeah, or having been repeated. Okay, so I've given you a few little ditties. I hope you enjoyed them. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ditty.